We don't use any screen printing because how we manufacture our devices are using semiconductor techniques.
Yeah. Yeah.
And semiconductor industry has driven IT development, and has really revolutionized our world in the last 30 years. And it's
Yeah.
because you can miniaturize your device
Yeah.
without losing any performance, and you can have high reliability in device to device.
Yeah.
I think people use screen printing techniques where they can really miniaturize your device. So the way to achieve cost effectiveness is through achieving, is through manufacturing through screen printing techniques or more scalable techniques, but that reduces the reliability and your sensitivity of your device. So what we are betting on is building our devices using semiconductor techniques, which you can miniaturize down to the micron level without losing